Marble and granite are both beautiful, highly sought, and most popular natural stones that people tend to use when they build new homes or home remodeling works. But most of the people get confused when they try to select an option between marble and granite. In this video, I am going to share with you some geological differences between marble and granite that will help you to understand which is a better option to choose while building your home. But before that, if you're new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. Granite is an acidic plutonic igneous rock. Acidic rock contains more than 65% SiO2, that is silica. As granite is a plutonic igneous rock, it solidifies from hot molten lava beneath the Earth's surface when the lava cools below 650 to 700 degrees centigrade. On the other hand, marble is a metamorphic rock. Metamorphism is the change in chemical, physical, and mineralogical properties of a rock due to the change in pressure and temperature. Marble is formed through metamorphism of limestone, which is a chemical sedimentary rock. Limestone forms in shallow seas by the precipitation of calcium carbonate. When this limestone is subjected to high geological pressure and temperature, it transforms into marble. Granite contains minerals like quartz, feldspar, and mica in large proportion, whereas marble contains mainly calcite or dolomite. Some marble contains up to 98% calcite. Since siliceous mineral like quartz, feldspar dominates the mineralogy of granite, so granite is more durable in comparison to marble. Marble is porous. That means it can hold more liquid within itself in comparison to granite. Water can cause expansion within granite from 0.004% to 0.009% and in marble from 0.001% to 0.025%. Granite has a crystalline structure. It is more resistant to abrasion and staining in comparison to marble. Marbles are composed of calcium carbonate and it is sensitive to acids, including cleaning products and food like citrus fruits, vinegar, wine, and tomatoes. Due to these reasons, marble countertops can easily get stained from liquid spills, fruit, and other acidic content. So when you choose between granite and marble for kitchen countertop, using granite is a far better option. Another reason for choosing granite countertop is the variation of colors availability. Granites have more color varieties and patterns than marble. Granite can resist heat more than marble, so choosing granite for kitchen countertops is a good idea. Marble is cold, smooth in comparison to granite, so marbles are very good option for flooring. But granite is more durable than marble. This durable quality of granite makes it appropriate for hallways where there are high foot activities, while marble is more apt for the areas where there is less traffic, like bathroom, chapels, and bedrooms. Both granite and marble need sealants to prevent staining. Marble requires sealing much more frequently, usually twice a year, whereas for granite, sealing once in every 2 years is sufficient. On a side note, in India, granite mainly comes from southern part of India, whereas marble mostly comes from northwestern India, especially Rajasthan. Makrana marbles are the finest marble in India. It was used in the Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, and in Victoria Memorial of Kolkata. Makrana marbles contains around 98% calcite. Marble and granite both have their unique qualities. It all depends on the aesthetic and where you are going to use these stones. If you want some elegant design and more beautiful looks, marble is a good option for flooring. But if you want durability, high resistance for scratch and stains, granite is the best option. Generally, granite for kitchen countertops and flooring in the hallways is a good idea, whereas using marble for flooring in the less traffic areas like bathroom, chapels, and bedroom is best. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.